Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the puzzle page of Saturday, yes, it's weekend, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles. The first one is a 3-star Sudoku, the second one is a killer Sudoku, the third one is a binary puzzle, and we have one puzzle left, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Let me position the camera first. Having troubles with the camera. This one will be number 7551. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I think it's a 1-star or 2-star puzzle. 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Can see any single boxes here. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Cannot see any duo boxes here. How about the triple box? I see here one triple box. The second triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2. In this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Here, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Let me mark this 4 or a 5. Same for here, 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3 and the 4. Well, no quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this Z construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box, right, has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the Z construction. Then the following shape. Only one Z construction in this puzzle. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. The following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes. No, only one of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? The L shape, rotated, this one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. 4 or 5. Okay, the L shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box is the same number as that box. Okay, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be 4, this box can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so 4 or a 5. Then this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 3. Alright. Then let me see. This box can be a 1. So 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. So we also 1 is also connected with that box. So we also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 3 goes there. Well, and now this box can be 3, that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 there. Only place left with the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2 in this triple box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Wait. Let me think. This box can be a 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore, because we have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then let me think. I think this box should be a 4 or a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Yes, 4 or a 5. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. 5 is in the same area, yes. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Alright. Yeah. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need a 5 here too. Well, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes. Oh, wait. Ay. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4, the only place left the 4, should be here. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. I mark this box with 1 or a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. Should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. One of the missing number in this L-shaped area is number 1. Here 1, there 1. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Then, let me see. Well, 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for the number. For number 5. Let me see. These 3 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So it can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this... I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 here, so it should be a 4 then. Then. Let me see. 1 and a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be F. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area. For the number 3, alright, now we go down 1 and a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there, 1 there. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 2 stars, not faster than 15 minutes. So I'm pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF so you can make it also over by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Sunday. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.